is for Scott and John. What we need are some numbers, basically. Numbers between, well, hold on. Numbers between 1 and about 30. I heard 6. We got 6? Right. Another number from this side. 14, 2, 9, 12. Is that 5? That's 4? Oh, okay, one more. 25. This game is called Sound Effects. All of those numbers you just gave us are random track numbers to a small little sound effects thing we have in the back. John and Scott are going to create a scene, and randomly those sound effects are just going to play. And they're just going to have to justify that into the scene that they are creating. Right now, we need a high-stakes scenario for them. It's something that is a life and death scenario. They are on a jungle safari. Excellent. All right, this game is called Sound Effects. Let's give them some encouragement, and we'll get started.
All right, we're heading on a safari. We're out to bag us a lion, man.
We're gonna bag a lion?
We are!
I thought we were just coming on the cheap one. We just kind of see stuff. We have netting.
No, we're men, manly men. Oh, gotta stop.
What the heck was that?
Traffic cop.
We're not in the jungle again.
No, we're in the jungle. They have them here too.
Oh.
Yeah? Okay, anyway, you got your gun?
Yes, I do.
Sweet. Okay, let's go. Let's go see what we can find.
A lot of leaves here.
Well, we are in the jungle.
That's a good point. Thought they'd be alive, though.
You know, trees, leaves, jungle.
No!
It works.
Mouse. Shot it. Silence.
Was it a good mouse?
I was able to bring that mouse over here real fast. It's ridiculous.
I didn't even see it. That's amazing.
It's good stuff. So what kind of lions are we looking for?
Big ones.
Oh, okay. What do they look like? I've never seen them.
Like seagulls. Well, you know,
Is this a fishing jungle?
well, it's kind of a beach jungle.
Oh, a bungle.
A bungle, yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So do I shoot the fish and then catch the lion?
Well, no, so you shoot the fish and use the fish to attract like a cat. Cats like fish.
Oh my God.
So that's how it works.
All right, I got it.
Catch the fish, throw it out,